A free event, y'all. My favorite kind of event. So good, thank you.
I told you that I took all night making those cookies myself. Did you believe me?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't.
I got my cookies.
Oh my gosh, that's color. Well, that's a very good Christmas gift. I like it.
Hey guys, it's Bethany. Today is Saturday, December 9th, and we are headed to breakfast with Santa. I am doing this intro real quick before we leave because it's a whirlwind of a morning. I hear something going on inside. We haven't even found Nelson yet because we've got breakfast with Santa at 9 at IKEA, and then we also have a Girl Scout cookie event right after that. So we're taking two separate vehicles. We're like go, 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 getting ready. The cars are heating up. It's 8 o'clock right now, 8:05. So we'll see you guys at IKEA. Where are we going?
IKEA. Let's see the breakfast with Santa. I gotta eat so many food that my belly gonna feel like this. And then got this by a bunch of, and I just got aired by a bunch of food.
Let's do it, Belle. What you find? Let's put that down.
Mommy, what's this?
I don't know. Let's put it down, okay? Oh, the keys are.
Mommy, I win.
You win.
Other people know where to go.
They do, don't they? I bet they've been here before.
I think I'm ready for a cupcake or a muffin or something. And they have loads of them over here.
Good.
Pleasure to have you today, and a pleasure to have you as well. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, I must take the lady's hand like this, you see. There we go, there we go. And now you may proceed to your tables where I'll come see you.
Yes.
Wherever you want to sit.
I hear, oh my goodness, it looks like there's fun things to do. I don't know. I don't know. So good, thank you. Okay, so you want to decorate them first? Need some help? Oh, we're going to decorate them with icing and then we can eat them later,
Can you
okay?
take them all?
Yeah. These are ornaments, so we can put them on the tree. What color do you want first? Do they have scissors? They need scissors.
Actually, I want pink.
Okay, thank you. No worries. Do you want to work on our craft while we wait for the scissors? What do you think? So it's going to be just like that little snowman.
Can you help me, Dad?
So we
We got some examples up here. You guys need
perfect.
Are you going to make a pretty cookie?
We
How are you going to make
are.
a cookie with that? Oh, yeah, gingerbread. Oh, gingerbread. Oh my goodness, heart-shaped gingerbread cookies.
What are your favorite kind of cookies to get last, Santa?
Mine. Mine are my favorite. Mine are all mine. All cookies are mine. It's just understood going in the door.
Okay.
All cookies belong to me.
Okay.
I may share, but they start moi.
I got you. Look, you can glue on his face.
If I told you that I took all night making those cookies myself, would you believe me?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't. I ate a few while they were being made, but I let someone else do it. I like to cook, but that many cookies, I'm gonna have the elves are gonna have.
Have to help you out, huh? Do you want to glue on the eyes?
No thanks.
What about the, you don't want to glue on your face?
I just want it.
Well, we have to wait till our scissors come. What do you say? Thank you.
So I can make my glue go up.
We have to wait till we get the scissors to open that up, but you can help me make your snowman if you want. Can you help me make the face? Put some glue on?
For the mouth and the...
Oh, I did not realize I left them behind.
Mommy, my glue.
Oh, perfect. There you go. Thank you. So cute. Is he a sad snowman or a happy snowman? Happy?
Wait, mine's a happy.
Yours is happy? There you go.
There we go.
He's a little like.
I'm gonna open all the colors.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Mommy, look at mine.
Do you want to do some cheeks? Some little rosy cheeks? Sure. All right, I'll
There
put
we go. We
dots.
got pink ready for you guys.
You just put your little rosies right there.
I'm a professional. Don't worry about it.
It's so cute.
Look at my hat, little snowman.
Oh, I love it.
Mommy,
Oh wow, that looks nice. You did it just in time.
my snowman looks happy too.
It does. You have a happy little snowman. I bet he loved Christmas time.
I'll put the other ones right here in the middle for you guys. Yeah, need them. Did you guys already make your Christmas list for Santa?
We have not.
Not yet. Oh wow.
I know, we're behind this
You
year.
have to make that list to give it to Santa
You
today.
gotta tell him.
If you want to, go to the station and I'll pass it.
I dropped it.
Oops, I made yours upside down.
Okay, thank you. I got some napkins here using cake.
Your hat. Your snowman is an upside down snowman. It's hanging upside down. We have to go buy breakfast at the. Like, this is all free.
So I feel less bad about
Yeah.
leaving it a little bit without it.
Yeah. Bella's snowman is an upside down snowman.
No.
You don't like him being upside down? I'm sorry.
I don't like that.
Do you want to make a different one? We can make another one. Here. So we know this needs to go on the bottom this time.
I wanna make another one. I wanna make another one. Until I eat.
All right, you work on the face, and I'll work on the chain. Here, why don't you use the glue stick? Oh, there's reindeers too. What? You putting your face on him? Oh, we have the Christmas music now. We're jamming. we need to do. You guys want to get a picture with Santa? These are so cute.
Help me out.
Belle and Olive, yep.
Oh, what a lovely man. All right, Belle, and what's your name, sweetheart? You got taller.
Olive.
Olive. Those are adorable names.
Thank you.
Belle and Olive. Now, Belle, what do you want for Christmas? Have you already told me, or do you want to tell me today? Do you have any ideas yet?
Belly, what do you want for Christmas?
What would you like to do? Really? That sounds like a fun gift. All right. And Olive, how about you?
A snow Lego set?
That is so adorable. Well, that's a very good Christmas gift. I like it. I like it. They get bigger as you get bigger. You know that, right? Sometimes they get smaller. Come here. I think Daddy wants to take a picture. Would you mind? I gotta put this up real quick. I'm always keeping this with me, and sometimes I can't get it back to my boot. There we go. Here, you get over here, Olive. There we go.
Cheese! Reindeer! Do you guys want to take the crafts, or do you want me to get them?
Don't forget about mine.
Okay.
Well, I know a lot of Christmas songs. I get to listen to them all season long. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. Saw a small who, little Cindy Lou who was not more than 2. The Grinch had been caught by this tiny who daughter who got out of bed for a cup of cold water. She stared at the Grinch and said, "Santa Claus, why? Why are you taking our Christmas tree?"
Hey guys, it's about 7:40 and we are back home. It has been a very big day. So let's go back to breakfast with Santa. It was 10 out of 10. If you have an IKEA near you, I definitely recommend going online in advance and reserving a spot. It's a free event, y'all. My favorite kind of event. Free. We got to decorate cookies. We got to make a craft. We got to tell Santa what we wanted, take a picture with him. He came around and chatted with us. What else? He read to us. He read The Grinch and Night Before Christmas. So it was a really cool experience, and I love that it was free and that we got to do it. Definitely gonna try to do it again next year, so that's something to keep in mind. I have got more free Christmas activities coming to you from the DFW area, so if you're local and you're looking for Christmas activities, we're gonna have them here for you. So that was fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.